Based on the information provided, here is a load calculation using the National Electrical Code, or NEC, Table 220.87. Firstly, lighting is calculated as 3 volt-amps per square foot times 850 square feet, totaling 2550 volt-amps. Secondly, small appliances are calculated as 150 volt-amps per outlet times 12 outlets, totaling 1800 volt-amps. Thirdly, the refrigerator is calculated at 1200 volt-amps. Fourthly, the range or oven is calculated at 3500 volt-amps. Fifthly, the microwave oven is calculated at 1500 volt-amps. Sixthly, the water heater, if gas, is calculated at 0 volt-amps. Seventhly, the clothes dryer, if electric, is calculated at 3000 volt-amps. Finally, the air conditioner, if electric and at 15,000 British thermal units, equals 2500 volt-amps. The total load is 12,150 volt-amps. The demand factor for residential dwellings is 0.7. The demand load is 12,150 volt-amps times 0.7, totaling 8,505 volt-amps. The required breaker size is 90 amps. Based on the required breaker size and assuming 240 volts, a 100 amp panel will suffice for each unit. Here are some cost-saving measures that may be helpful. Firstly, use a 100 amp panel for each unit. This is the minimum size panel that meets the load requirements, and it is less expensive than a 150 amp panel. Secondly, consider a sub-panel. Install a sub-panel in each unit for additional circuits, as this can be more cost-effective than adding circuits to a single panel. Thirdly, use light-emitting diode or LED lighting. LED lighting consumes significantly less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs. Fourthly, install energy-efficient appliances. Look for appliances with the Energy Star label, as they are designed to use less energy. Fifthly, consider a tankless water heater. If gas is available, a tankless water heater can provide hot water on demand, eliminating standby energy losses. Sixthly, negotiate with the supplier. Contact the electrical supplier and ask for a discount on materials. Seventhly, maximize labor efficiency. Plan the wiring route carefully to minimize wire runs and reduce labor costs. Eighthly, consider using apprentices. Trained apprentices can assist with the installation under the supervision of a licensed electrician, which can reduce labor costs. Ninthly, get multiple bids. Obtain quotes from several electricians to compare costs and find the best deal. Tenthly, be flexible with scheduling. Allow for flexibility in scheduling to potentially secure off-peak discounts from contractors. 11thly, utilize technology. Use tools like wire strippers and crimpers to increase efficiency and save time. 12thly, inspect materials thoroughly. Inspect materials upon delivery to avoid costly returns or delays. Lastly, recycle materials. Recycle scrap materials to reduce waste and potential disposal costs.